Now, the international science community is on the verge of making one of its most important decisions later this year when it decides which country will host one of the largest radio telescope projects in the world. The Square Kilometre Array Project, or SKA as it is known, will be the largest investment in science in recent times. Travis Sandrus now reports.
Standing boldly under the scorching African sun, South Africa's new CAT-7 radio telescope searches the skies above for answers to the origins of the universe. The telescope is essentially a precursor for South Africa's bid to host the Square Kilometre Array, the world's largest radio telescope project. South Africa, along with Australia, have been shortlisted for the final two, and the stakes are high, as the SKA project could prove enormously lucrative to any country that wins the right to host it. Consisting of over 3,000 large radio telescopes, SKA will give scientists a perspective into the universe like never before seen.
The SKA itself is roughly 100 times bigger than anything that exists today, or will be 100 times bigger than anything exists today, which really is a significant step forward. Normally, progress is made in steps of a few, so you build a telescope which is 2 or 3 times bigger than the previous one, maybe 10 times bigger, but 100 is a big step. So that the amount of science that you'll be able to do or the quality of the science that you're going to do is just transformational. It's new stuff that you just could never do with the existing telescopes.
While the SKA core site will be built in South Africa, if the country's bid does succeed, many of the receiving dishes for the radio telescope will be spread across 8 other African countries. This means that science development in Southern Africa will receive a major boost in terms of infrastructure and skills development.
We've had to build the partnerships with our African partner countries, and that's been very successful as well. And that's gone beyond just hosting the SKA. We're actually establishing astronomy departments and institutes in our African partner countries, and actually telescopes as well. So that a lot of real groundwork is, in addition to the formal preparation of the bid.
Astronomers believe that the SKA will be 100 times more powerful than any other previous radio telescope, which in turn will help them unlock some of the universe's biggest mysteries, including the origin of dark energy and whether Einstein's gravitational waves really does exist.
You're going to be observing things and answering fundamental questions that up to now you weren't able to answer, like dark matter, what is it, dark energy, what is it, what's the effect of it. So it will transform science, there's no doubt about it.
South Africa's SKA project bid has already received raving reviews from the science community worldwide, with the country pulling out all the stops to show the world that the future of science and technology will be in Africa. South Africa's bid to host the SKA project now lies in the hands of 4 member nations, with a decision expected in early April. International board members now have the hard task of deciding which country fits all the prerequisites for the right to host the SKA. Travis Andrews, CCTV, Cape Town.